Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to import fonts into Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, to import fonts into Capcut on a PC, you just have to follow these simple steps. Number one is, you have to download the font file. First, ensure you have the font you want to import saved on your computer. So, there are like two platforms where you can download the fonts. Number one is the Adobe fonts, wherein you can enjoy unlimited access to more than 30,000 fonts. Right here, trending, new releases, and hidden gems, and simplified licensing. All right, so that's one way. Another platform that you can go to is thefont.com. And from here, all you have to do is really easy. Extract the files you have downloaded for both Windows and Mac. For example, we're going to be using this Super Theory. I'm going to click on the download button here. And then once it's downloaded, locate the file, unzip it, and click the install button. Right here. Right click and then install for all users. All right. Once it's installed, you go back to the Capcut, open the Capcut app. If you are just new here, just click the create new project to begin your work or to start your work from scratch. Or if you already have an existing project, just click to open and continue editing. So here, all I have to do is go to the text button, type in your text, click the default text right here. I'm going to create a text here. All right. Default text is going to be this. You can select that and then go to the font style option, and that's going to be located here. Font system, you just have to search for the font, and I believe that was Super Theory. So let's try if you can see that. If you can, let's search for it. Super Theory. You see that? This one right here. And you can choose a different color if you want. Maybe around red, like this, underline, and that. Now, another option that you can do if you don't want to import fonts from the other sources, just go here and then go to the top corner where you see the commercial. You see there is like a download option, but it requires a pro subscription, right? For example, this one. All right, so you have that, and it's added. You have imported a file of font style that is part of the CapCut theme style or a customized font. Now, after that, you want to make sure to place the font style to whenever position placed in the canvas. Once you've done that, go to the upper right corner where you can export this newly cohesive video with an imported font to different file formats. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.